My name is Dominique Damila, and welcome back to Domo's World, or welcome to Domo's World if you are new, and subscribe, because we just going up from here, you know. But anyways, as you guys can see, we are doing a makeup tutorial, and I just popped these lashes on to see how they look, and I actually kind of like them. I have a couple lashes that I've had for a really long time, and I just have not worn them, or I wear them like once and that was it. I'm gonna show you guys, right? So I have these. I've worn these once. I think I wore these once or twice as well. These ones, I've worn them once. I want to say I wore them for my baby shower, if I'm not mistaken. And these are the ones that I have on right now. This is the first time I'm putting them on, and I usually just kind of go for the same 3 lashes or 4 lashes. And I'm like, let me just try out these. So I'm probably gonna wear these again sometime because they cute or whatever. But let's get started. So first things first, our eyebrows are already done, and our skin is prepped with the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I used this first, and then I went in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And this is the second time I'm using this. That's why I got the sample size. I just wanted to try it out, and I would definitely go buy the full package when that is finished. So I'm going in with my Oakland matte eyeshadow, and I got this palette from Hush, I want to say, and I got a couple more of it, but we're just going in with this brown shade right here. It is called Mud. And hold on, let me see if I can zoom you guys in real quick. Okay, so this is the best I could do for right now. So enjoy being up close and personal, you know. So my goal for this month is to get to 50 subscribers, and I want to say this is probably my first video or my second video for this month. I think it's my first, but no, it's my second. So it's my second video for this month. It is a St. Patrick's Day look. It will be out on Tuesday. So Tuesday is the 16th, the day before St. Patrick's Day. Okay, now that we have blended all that out, I'm going in with my first edition 120 eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. And we are going in with this lime green shade right here. And it has a shimmer to it. I didn't really like it at first, but now it's okay. Sorry, my brother was calling me, but there is, so Cardi B does this thing called, well, I don't really know what it's called, but she tries different stuff like NASCAR racing and ballet and stuff like that. And I want to kind of do like a series on my channel, something like that. So the first video, I'm probably gonna try to get it out next week. If not next week, then that's gonna be the first video for next month. But I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but just let me say that I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted one of them, but I've just never took the time out to learn how to do it, or wanted to put the money in, I guess, for it. But I'm a little tired of my hair at the moment, so I'm gonna try to do a whole bunch of things to it. Okay, so in that same palette, we are going in with this shade next, and that's just gonna be our crease color. So let me know what you guys want me to try next, or want me to try, not try next, but want me to try. And we will do it, you know, together. Also, next month, my family is doing this weight loss, like a friendly weight loss competition or whatever, because we all want to lose weight and tone up and stuff like that. So I want to say my mom came up with it, so we're each gonna put in $10, right? And the end of the month, okay, so we're each gonna put in $10. We're gonna weigh in at the beginning of the month, and we're gonna do like whatever during the month, and whoever loses the most amount of weight at the end of the month gets all the money. So I think that's really good. Like, there's money involved, but we don't really have to do the money. I think just friendly competition is gonna keep everybody on track to reach their goals that they want to do or get to. The money is just added bonus. Alright, so this is what it's looking like right now. We're going to cut our crease and we'll be back. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna take the last shade that we used in our BH palette, so this shade right here, and that's gonna go in the outer part of the cut crease. We're gonna use the same two colors, we're not using like different colors. But I was talking about the weight loss challenge, so I'm gonna record it just so if somebody wants to lose weight, they can see the stuff that I do and the things that I try, because I'm not too sure about how like I'm gonna like lose the weight or whatever. So I think it'll be really good for other people as well. Now I'm going in with the first shade, or if you guys want, you guys can do the journey with me. But if you guys are not subscribed, you guys should definitely subscribe. I have a lot of things coming. It's just things that I sit around and I think about and I'm like, oh, that would be really, really good to do. Now I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer, and this is what it looks like. So I just put it on the back of my cap. Okay, so now I have my NYX Foil Play Cream Pigment in Dagger. This is what it looks like. And my NYX Glitter, Metallic Glitter in Lumi-Lite, and this. Is what that looks like, and I just mixed the two in the cap of one of them, and we're gonna put that all where we just put our glitter primer. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You guys can add a wing liner if you want. I don't usually put wings on. Don't really like them all the time. Well, when I do like colorful looks at least. So I'm just gonna cut off the corner, and I'm going in with my Duo brush on adhesive, I'm just gonna leave that, let that get tacky. And I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes. Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Okay, now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 290. Okay, so I went out and I bought the cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and it's in Macchiato, so that's number 3. And this is what it looks like. And I've used it, this is my second time using it. I've used it just when I went out with one of my friends. And I didn't use a lot of it, so and I just realized I didn't do my concealer. Alright, we got a little guest. Now I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. This is the concealer I always use. I've been using this concealer for years. It's the BareMineral's BareSkin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer in medium golden. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna go in with my cream blush, and this is in Petal Poppin. I'm gonna set my face with my Thayer's Facial Mist, Witch Hazel and Aloe formula in Cranberry Orange. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. Okay, so for our bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take the darkest shade from in our first edition BH palette. For our lips, I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay Long Wear Lip Liner in Chocolate. Go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. Okay, so I just went in with a little brush just to smudge around my outer part of my lip. I'm gonna set one more time with my spray. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. Bye.
There's pink black girls in my area, cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tone.